Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can add a coupon code section in a blog post. Okay, so this year I have created a dedicated website for Black Friday deals. So you can see that this is the website Black Friday deals for bloggers. Last there are 2s.com. So in this blog, I am actually covering all the WordPress related, web hosting related. You can see best web hosting deals, WP themes, then WordPress plugins, then best AI tools deals. So a lot of deals at one place. Okay. Now here I have also created couple of dedicated page to cover the individual deals. For example, if I go to web hosting section, so I have created dedicated page for Bluehost Black Friday deal. And in this page, you can see on top, I have added a coupon section. So it's like a coupon or deal or discount section. So this will actually help to click or avail the discount by the user very easily. Okay, so in individual article we can add this kind of a coupon on top of it. So in this video I am going to show you how we can actually create this kind of a coupon section or coupon area, and what is that plugin that I am personally using for this website. Okay, so the plugin right now I am using for this website is, so the plugin right now I am using is that WP coupons and deals. So I am using their premium version. I am using their premium version. I think I purchased it for around 5 websites. And right now they are running a Black Friday deal of around 40% discount. So if we check their pricing, so you can see that they have yearly plans and lifetime deals. So what I remember, this 5-site license, I bought it, I think around long back, 5-6 years back. And I am using this plugin from last many years. This is one of my best plugin. I really love this plugin. Very, very easy to use that plugin. Okay. So now we are actually using this plugin, and I'm going to create a similar coupon for another blog post. So let's say A2 hosting Black Friday sale. This is another article. Let me open it. So in this post, there is no coupon section. So I'm going to add a coupon section or a coupon area for this blog. Now how to do that with this WP coupons and deals plugin? So let me show you. So first what we will do, we'll go to the WordPress dashboard. So I'll just go inside the dashboard. Now I have already installed the plugin. So in the left side, there is a coupon section is coming. Okay. So now you can start with the free version also. So for that you have to go to plugins, add new plugin, then search with WP coupons. Okay. So this one, WP coupons and deals. Okay, so this is the plugin. If I click on it, WP coupons and deals, so this is the plugin. If you click on live demo, so it will take you to their website. Okay, if I just am clicking on live demo, so you can see that it will take their website. So right now I am having the premium version, so it is actually showing me here to install the free version. So in the free version also you will get a lot of coupon options, but definitely there are a lot of templates which you are not going to get. So for example, this is my favorite template, the one I just showed you in my blog post. So this one you will not get in the free version. Couple of templates you will get as a free version. Okay, so now I just showed you how to install that plugin as a free. So you simply install that plugin as a free, and whatever way I'm going to show you, you can that way you can explore it, and then you can maybe create the plugin. If you want to buy their premium plugin, then definitely you can utilize the Black Friday deal. I just showed you that they are offering some great discount, around 40% discount on their lifetime and annual plan. So if you say lifetime plan, it's just 99 for single site. And again, when you use WPCD 40 coupon code, it will be even more discount, around $39 or $38 discount you will get for a single site. Okay, so you can check the links mentioned in the description, and if you want this plugin, then definitely you can buy it. Okay, now let's get back to the tutorial. So after installing the plugin, in the left side you will see a coupon section like this. So just click on this coupons. So here I have created 2 coupons. I already showed you Bluehost Black Friday deal coupon. Okay, now I'm going to create a new coupon. So for that I need to add new coupon, this button. So I'm simply clicking on it. Okay, so this is the interface you will get. So first what we need to do, so we'll be writing a title for that. So let's say A2 hosting Black Friday deal coupon, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay, so I'm just writing a title. So it is live now, I know that 86. So I'm writing live. Okay, then coupon type. So if there is a coupon, then you can select coupon. If it is a deal, you can select deal. If you want to select some image, you can select some image. Okay, so right now A2 hosting Black Friday deal, they do not have any coupon. That's a direct deal. Okay, in case let's say they have a coupon, so I'll just first show you, then I'll change it. Okay, let's say there is a coupon. So let's say I'll give some coupon like Black Friday, and here is the link you have to provide. So I'll be providing a link like my affiliate link, A2 hosting. Okay, then discount amount. So A2 hosting is offering this year 86% discount. Okay, and then here below we need to write a description. So I just wrote this description. Okay, grab an incredible 86% discount on A2 hosting plans for lightning fast websites. Okay, now simply scroll below. Now coupon deal and expiration. Now before selecting these entries, I'll select the template first. So this is a default template, it will come like this. Now my favorite template is template 6. This is my favorite template. Okay, now if you want to see what are the other templates, so this is a template 1, it will come like this. This is the template 2, it will come like this. Template 3, template 4, template 5. So lot of types of template. Then template 7, template 8, template 9. Okay, so my favorite one is the template 6. So I just opted for template 6. If you want to change the coupon theme, you can change the theme also. So now there is an option called hide coupon. So it is coming as no. So I'll simply say yes. Okay, so you can see that show code is, so coupon is hidden right now. So if somebody click on it, then only it will open. Okay, never expire. So I'll simply click on this, and then, or if you want to put expiration date or time, you can select the date and time. Okay, so after this, I'll simply click on publish. In the right side, there is like vendor category. You can create category and vendor also. Let's say under A2 hosting, if you want to create multiple coupons, then definitely you can create A2 hosting as a vendor, and whenever you're creating the coupons, you can select. Now, as soon as the coupon is created, on top there are two short codes. One is the full coupon, one is the only coupon. So I'll copy the full short code one, simply copy. Now I'll go to my A2 hosting blog post. I'll simply edit it. Okay, then I press enter. So I'll simply paste the shortcode. So wherever you want to paste it, you can paste it. So if you want to create a dedicated A2 hosting latest coupons, and there you want to cover multiple coupons, so you can create multiple coupons and then paste all the shortcodes here. Okay, now so let me save the post. The post has saved now. So let us see how exactly it is coming now. So you can see that on top of the post, A2 hosting Black Friday coupon, whatever I have created right now. So it is coming like this. So doesn't expire, show code. So I kept a coupon here. So that's, and the coupon is hidden. So it will come like this. So whenever somebody will visit this page, they will not be able to see the coupon. So they will simply try to click on it. So click. If I click on it, see how exactly it is coming. See, the coupon will be applicable like this. So you can click on go to offer, or else in the previous browser, automatically A2 hosting page will open. So right now they are also giving Black Friday deals. So this way you can actually utilize the coupon strategy on your blog post, especially like on any deal or any sale is going on, or your deal pages. And then definitely coupons are like very much attractive. And in WordPress website, using this plugin, whatever I showed you, you can actually create beautiful coupons like this, whatever I showed in this video. Fine. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, how to add a coupon in your blog post using one of the WordPress coupon plugin. And this is the coupon plugin I am using. If you want to purchase this plugin during this Black Friday sale with 40% discount, you can check the link mentioned in the video description. Okay, or else for any other Black Friday deals and offer, you can visit my website. I'll mention the link in the description and purchase whatever theme or hosting or plugin you want to buy, because next couple of days these deals are live. After that you will not get till next year. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.